us to pick up our new family dog.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go pick up a new dog?
Huh?
To help you eat and play and keep you busy and run over you? You said, huh? You said what?
We have to drive an hour and 40 minutes away. She's actually from Ohio, so she was on a plane for the first time. Already, 2 months in, she's 10 weeks old, so let's go get her. Alright, bye y'all.
Oh, beautiful face. Oh, look at that little face. Look at your little sister. Oh, she's so cute, Maria.